Seeking a tutoring appointment. Navigate to oswego.tutortrack.com. Right now is a great time to save it as a bookmark. First, click on Search Availability. Next, choose the correct center. OLS has 3 centers: the STEM Center, the Tutoring Center, and the Writing Center. Choose the STEM Center for science or math tutoring, the Tutoring Center for arts, business, communications, humanities, modern language, or social sciences, and the Writing Center for any type of writing assistance. Choose the course that you are seeking a tutor for. If you do not see your desired course listed, try selecting a different center. If you still do not see your course listed, OLS does not currently tutor that course. Next, select the type of tutoring that you are seeking. The majority of OLS sessions are in-person appointments. Your search results will appear to the right. To select a session slot, click on the green bar showing the time. At this point, you have the opportunity to leave a note for your tutor. Tutors love notes. It helps them to prepare for your session. Click on Save to confirm the appointment. An automated confirmation email has been sent to your Oswego account. You can add the tutoring session to your Google Calendar by clicking Yes. A word of caution: canceling the event on your calendar does not cancel the appointment. To cancel an appointment, call or email OLS or visit TutorTrack to cancel yourself. When it is time, head to the OLS suite inside of the Penfield Library. OLS's friendly desk attendant will check you in and direct you to your tutor. We look forward to seeing you at OLS.